Hey there guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news that's been buzzing around the tech community. Hold on tight because we are about to spill all the details about the highly anticipated Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, or should I say Moto Razr Plus. Yeah, the name confusion is real. So word on the street is that this sleek and stylish foldable phone might just hit the market next week. And guess what? We have got an alleged promo video that gives us a sneak peek into its design. Are you ready for this? Let's dive right in. The leaked video courtesy of the tech insider Evan Blass on Twitter showcases the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra in a 43-second video. Now one thing that catches our eye is the cover display. It's larger than ever, taking up nearly half of the phone's exterior. It's like the front face of this beauty is all about everything at a glance. Google Maps, messages, games and even stylish clock faces are all right there at your fingertips. Oh, and did I mention that you can use the cover display as a viewfinder? Say cheese to those dual cameras. But wait, there's more. As we peek into the interiors, we see glimpses of the main screen, but nothing too revealing. No sign of the dreaded display crease, but hey, let's keep our fingers crossed that it's not just a marketing trick. We want a crease-free experience, don't we? Now in terms of design, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra doesn't stray too far from its predecessor. However, there's a subtle change in the hinge design, giving it a more streamlined look. Open up the phone and you'd be hard pressed to identify any major changes, especially from this video. Even the fairly chunky frame is still present around the interior screen. This phone promises Dolby Atmos sound, ultra smooth visuals and an incredibly vivid display. It's like a mini theater in your pocket. Alright folks, let's recap what we know so far about this upcoming tech gem. It's rumored to start at 1,200 euros in Europe, which roughly translates to $1,000 in the US. That's for the base model with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. But hey, if you're a storage fanatic, there might be a 512 gigs version up for grabs too. And get this, there's speculation that you might even get a whopping 12 gigs of RAM. Let's talk displays. The cover display is expected to be a 3.5-inch panel, which takes us back to the size of the original iPhone. Nostalgia anyone? Meanwhile, the interior screen is estimated to be at least 6.76 inches, offering a crisp 2460 by 1080p resolution. And hey, we might even be blessed with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Maybe it will even go up to 144Hz like its predecessor. But we will have to wait and see. Now camera rumors are a bit hazy, but we are hearing whispers of a 12-megapixel main cam and a 13-megapixel ultra wide. Okay, that's not too shabby, but let's be honest, we were hoping for more. The selfie game though remains strong with a 32-megapixel front-facing camera. Performance-wise, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is rumored to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. Now this puts it at a slight disadvantage compared to its rival, the Galaxy Z Flip 5, which might have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But hey, don't count it out just yet. We will have to see how it performs in real-world scenarios. And let's not forget the battery, a 3640 mAh powerhouse with 33W fast charging speeds. And now the moment we have all been waiting for, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is expected to launch next week on 1st of June. Just a few more days until we can unwrap this foldable wonder and experience its potential. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest news and rumors surrounding the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. That's all for today's exciting tech update. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more thrilling tech content. And as always, thank you for watching and we will catch you in the next one.